It's 2 a.m. The neighbors are doing something completely crazy, and somehow they're sucking water out of my toilet and then refilling it. Their fan is on. No idea. 2 a.m. insane.
Well, here's our room. We found a cigarette. That's always nice. Here's this creepy staged house that's nowhere near anything that makes sense. All these are empty. I mean, a lot of these don't even have walls and stuff. And they decided to stage this before they even had a road driveway. They got this like dirt path, and they've already put fake books on the walls.